In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AutoSum function in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed a quick total without typing a full formula, this is the fastest and most reliable way to do it. AutoSum is built to recognize your numbers and add them up in a single click, so you can stay focused on your data rather than the syntax. Start by selecting the blank cell where you want the result to appear. Typically, that's the empty cell directly below a column of numbers, or the empty cell immediately to the right of a row of numbers. Picking that spot tells Excel, place my total here. Make sure the cell is truly blank, no leftover spaces or characters, so Excel knows it's a clean destination for the result. For best results, keep your numbers together in one uninterrupted block, with no completely blank rows or columns in the middle, because AutoSum looks for a continuous range next to your selected cell. With that cell selected, go to the Home tab and click AutoSum, the button that looks like the Greek letter sigma. As soon as you click it, Excel scans upward for a vertical list or to the left for a horizontal list, finds the most likely range of numbers, and inserts a sum formula for you. You'll see the suggested range highlighted and the formula displayed, which means Excel has done the heavy lifting. The total is prepared in the cell you selected, saving you from typing AutoSum and selecting cells by hand. AutoSum is smart about common layouts. It works the same for monthly sales, expense lists, score sheets, or any set of values arranged in a column or a row. It adds whole numbers, decimals, and currency values, and it ignores text labels like headings or descriptions that sit above or beside your numbers. If your data includes negative values, they're included in the total automatically. If the numbers are formatted as percentages, AutoSum respects that formatting too. If the sum doesn't look right, it's often because the data range is broken up by a blank row or because some entries were stored as text instead of numbers. Keeping your data contiguous and consistently numeric helps AutoSum choose exactly what you expect. And if you're totaling a row instead of a column, remember to select the empty cell to the right of that row before you click AutoSum so Excel looks in the correct direction. That's all there is to it. Choose the blank cell where the total should appear, then click AutoSum on the Home tab. It's quick, accurate, and a great habit to speed up your work in Excel.